Today we're at the Wright Brothers National Memorial, and today we're going to see the Wright Brothers airplane, and it was the first airplane invented. So there was other people that made airplanes, but they didn't work right. So this was the first airplane that worked right, the Wright brothers. So it was a bit strange. We have a whole map, but not a really map. It just shows how its stuff was. So this is the Wright brothers aeroplane. The real one is right here. Here is how the airplane flew. So you sat on this bed and huge fans, and the fans start moving right here, and it will take the plane will take. So these were the other airplanes. This was the first airplane, but it didn't work. Right? Then they made this airplane. They didn't really know how to make it. Then they made this glider airplane. It flew for a minute, and flew for a few seconds, and it fell down, back down. They made this airplane, kind of more like an airplane, but it was more short, so you might have to hold it tight, and when you get loose, it might fall off. And then the Wright brothers airplane. Okay, so that's when this is how they started. Then they put these parts together, and they put this part on, and they're ready to test it. Let's see how go! Ta-da! People were trying to make airplanes, so they, on windy days, it was like a glider. So gliders are like on windy days, and if you're on the top of a cliff, and you have a glider with you, you could just jump off, and you will glide to the sky and land safely on the ground, like a parachute.
Okay.
But that's not how. It's not how. That was before the aeroplane. And Wilbur Wright and Oliver Wright, they found out the problems and fixed everything that was on the problem. So it was like flat wings. So then they found out they should make curved wings.
Okay.
Then they found out they needed propellers to push their way.
Okay.
That's how they invented the first aeroplane.
Wow.
But then aeroplane people, not like those two, like other people, found out the way to carry more people on one aeroplane. So they made it bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's how the airplanes that are right now. So it started all along from gliders all the